This video introduces the still and clip of HVS-190. First, we will explain the file formats supported by HVS-190. The details of the various file formats are as shown below. In addition to the frame memory for each input, Still 1 and Still 2 still image memory and video memory, the HVS-190 has VRAM for temporary storage of image and video data, which can automatically back up data loaded or captured in the frame memory and Still 1 and Still 2 memory. VRAM can also be used to load image and video data from the VRAM into the frame memory and still memory of each input. Data can be also saved directly from VRAM to USB and loaded from USB to VRAM via the file menu using a USB memory stick. Data in VRAM is volatile, so data will be lost on reboot. The optional SSD is non-volatile and can back up still and movie file from Still 1 and Still 2, and automatically upload them to each channel at startup. USB memory is used to load image files. Please prepare the image file to be loaded in advance. Press Menu. File to display the file menu. Press F1 to select Load. If an optional SSD is mounted, press F4 to select SSD. Press F1 to go to the File Load menu. Turn F1 to select Still and type. Turn F2 to select where to load the image file. Turn F4 to select the image file to be loaded and press F4 to start loading. When a beep sound is heard, loading is complete. Next, we will explain the rules for clip files. Prepare a folder with sequentially numbered files of still images. Please note that there are naming rules for folders and each file. Folder names can be up to any 16 characters. If the name is longer than 16 characters, the 17th and subsequent characters will be truncated as they cannot be displayed on the HVS-190. File names, like folder names, can be up to 16 arbitrary characters long. After the hyphen, add the serial number of each file, starting with 0000. Press Menu. File to display the file top menu. Press F1 to select File Directory. Press F1 to select Clip for type. And F2 to select Create Clip. Press F3 to select a folder of sequentially numbered files and press F3 to open the folder. Press F2 to beep and generate a clip list file in the folder. Without the clip list file, the image folder will not be recognized by the HVS-190 as a clip file. So be sure to perform this clip list generation process for the first clip data you load. Next, load the clip. Press Menu. File in the keypad section to display the file menu. Press F1 to select Load and press F1 to move to the File Load menu. Press F1 to set type to clip. Press F2 to select the clip channel to load. Press F3 to select the clip folder to load. Select Clip List in the folder and press F3 to start loading. When a beep sound is heard, loading is complete. Finally, copy the still image data from VRAM to in01. Open the Still menu and turn F1 to go to the VRAM menu. Turn F1 to select Still, turn F2 to select in01, and turn F3 to select a still image on VRAM. Press F2 or F3. A beep sounds and the selected still image is displayed in in01. The still image or movie on VRAM is loaded to Still 1. Press Menu, Still, and turn F1 to go to the VRAM menu. Press F1 to select the format to load from Still and Clip. Press F2 to select Still 1 and F3 to select Still or Video on VRAM. Press F2 or F3. A beep is heard and the selected still image or video is loaded to Still 1.